Are you experiencing a difficult time due to your poor credit history? Maybe you are having a hard time applying for a loan to buy a house or a car? Perhaps you already know that you need to repair your credit report so that you can borrow money in the future. We specialize in helping people repair their credit files so that you can be free to make the financial decisions that you deserve when it's time to find a good credit repair service. You need to make sure that you are dealing with a credit repair company that has the experience and knowledge to give you the help and solutions that you need. Everybody's situation is unique. Let us help you get started and improve your credit report. We can determine the best ways to help you move forward. Settling for bad credit is not a permanent solution. We've helped many others greatly improve their situation. We would love to show you the steps to improving your credit. Get started and visit our website, or you can call us.